Ang taray ni Julia Barreto dahil makakatrabaho niya ang Korean actor na si Lee Sang-yoon at Indonesian actor na si Nicolas Saputra sa K-drama series na Secret Ingredient na ipalalabas sa Viu. Si Nicolas Saputra raw ang Piolo Pascual sa Indonesia, kaya may ideya ang mga netizens kung gaano kasikat ito. Ang Secret Ingredient ay handog ng Viu in partnership with Unilever Nutrition. Base ito sa announcement nitong Biyernes na ginanap sa EDSA Shangri-La. Gagampanan ni Julia ang karakter na Maya bilang chef at si Lee Sang-yoon ang kanyang leading man na gaganap bilang si Hagyun. Si Saputra naman ang head chef ng aktres. Base sa panayam ni Ann Cerezo ng TV Patrol kay Julia, it is really refreshing love story. It was really touching. The concept itself, busog na ako. Then I read the script. I was 100% on board. Hindi lang tungkol sa love story ang kwento ng Secret Ingredient, kundi tungkol din ito sa mga pagkain ng iba't ibang kultura. I am so excited. We have amazing food. Kaya pa niya ma-introduce internationally. We have good food back home. Maipagmamalaki natin to. I am really looking forward to introducing it. So far in our shoot, I saw that they really are showcasing that, sabi pa ng dalaga. Dagdag pa, it has been really exciting, really refreshing. I love that I am able to have this opportunity and it gives you new experiences. I am really enjoying this moment because it is new, it is light on set. This is so much I am learning from a Korean director and co-star. I was excited to see and work with SH, Nicolas, the DOP, everybody behind this project really work hard para lang mamaut. For all of this come to life, I am so grateful I was chosen to play Maya. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.